everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my mum.
Hi everybody.
She's chosen an entire outfit for me from Primark. I have absolutely no idea what she's picked, so without further ado, we're going to get started. So the first item, just pick anything out the bag.
Okay.
The first thing that you get.
First thing, I enjoyed myself so much doing this.
Only because it wasn't on your card. So this is the top that Mum has picked. I do actually like it, but the only thing I don't like is the orange on it.
Oh, I like the Aztec-y.
Yeah.
I'm thinking holidays. I'm telling you this, it's holidays.
Right, okay, so hopefully we're going to go on holiday this year. I like it. I wear a lot of tops in this style in the summer, and you got the right size, so I do like it. I'm just not sure about the colours, that's the only thing.
Right.
And this was £6. I can imagine it on holiday. Maybe not in England.
Yes.
But on holiday. Let's move on to the next item then.
Right, I went with safety for this because I know that Hannah wears a lot of these, but I really like these because...
Oh, I like them. So these are some black leggings, and on the bottom they have like a little bit of lace detail.
I really
do actually
like
them.
that.
Yeah, I think I'll wear those a lot. These were £8. I live in black leggings, don't I?
You
So
do.
that was quite a safe option.
So is that colour better now you've got black to go with it?
Yeah, it is a bit.
I did
bit
look
much.
at orange, but I decided not to.
Oh, I'm glad you didn't.
As I was thinking holidays, I really like those.
I've had these before.
I thought you had, but they went really well with what you've got there.
So you knew I was going to like
Yeah.
them because I've already had a pair of these.
Actually, I like those and I want a pair.
Well, you can have these if you want, because I've already got some. No, I do like them. They're just these brown sandals with this tassel. I do like them. They're only £5. The only thing is, the last pair I had, I will say they're not very comfortable.
Aren't they?
These ones actually a bit more fancier, because mine didn't have the gold round them. Yeah, I like them. At least you know I like them, because I've already got a pair.
Right, thinking sunshine. I got you a nice hat.
Have you ever seen me wearing a sun hat?
No, but we don't very often go on holiday, so I thought you might need one on holiday.
I do like the black pom-poms around it. I'm just not really a hat person. And it's £5. You can have it if you want.
I don't like hats.
So we both don't like hats. Why did you get one then? This is a very holiday outfit.
I know, well I said holiday. I'm really worried now.
Why? Oh.
Because I bought that to go with it.
Oh, it says Hello Sunshine on it. I've just seen that. And it's got the bright yellow. This looks like it was made in like a year 6 textiles class. I'm not sure about this. I like the idea that you've gone for with the whole outfit being
That's
holiday,
it. Yeah.
beachy. Well, I'm not sure you wear black leggings to a beach. This feels like really nice quality though. How much? I bet this was quite expensive. Oh, it's only £8.
I thought that was really good for £8.
It's got a nice little pocket in it. It's a very big bag. You could just chuck everything in there.
You need room for a towel, don't you?
As beach bags go, it is actually alright.
There we go.
I'd
She's coming
take
round
this
to
off.
it now.
I'd definitely take this yellow thing off though.
Oh, I thought that was the best bit.
I'd give it a 6 out of 10.
Right, well, that's okay. My new career as a
Stylist.
is going down the drain rapidly. As a mum, I was thinking it might be a bit chilly in the evening.
Right.
So to go over the outfit.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh, I like it, but a hoodie with this outfit.
It was only to go over if it got cold in the evening, that was all.
I do like this. It says sweeter than honey, and it's got a little bee on it. This would be nice just with the black leggings.
Yes, it would actually, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you got this in a size 8. That probably will fit me.
Yeah,
It
there you
feels
are,
quite
see?
soft.
That's another outfit, that and just the black leggings. You've got 2 for 1 there.
And this was £8, so for when it gets cold,
Yeah.
I've got a hoodie.
And actually, I bought a pair of shoes to make it sort of more evening-y. There's a big story to these though. You saw these as well. When we met up afterwards, you saw them and you really liked them, but there were no 5s left, and I was feeling really smug because I'd already bought a pair of 5s for you and I had them in the bag, and you were picking up
Really?
saying I really like these. When I got home, I looked at them and only size 3. So I went back to change them and they didn't have any 5s.
Oh,
anyway,
you really got
I've
my
tried
hopes up there.
everywhere.
What shoes are they? Oh, I did really like these. They're these little brown heels. They're definitely not going to fit
But
me
look
in a
at
size 3.
Look how confusing it is when you look.
Oh, it says USA 5.
Yes, but I really like those. I thought they'd look really nice with the whole thing, and I thought you'd like them.
I mean, I'm not sure with this outfit, with the black leggings,
Oh.
but with like a holiday dress
Right.
on the holiday, these would be really nice. These were £12. Bit of a shame they look like they're for children, though they're so small. The thought was there anyway.
I'll have to do another outfit because it's obviously very successful.
So that was the last item.
It was.
I think the general vibe that you've gone for, the holiday vibe, I like that. I wasn't expecting that. I thought you would choose a very like loungy outfit. because that's what I always wear.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd ever wear this. It feels really heavy, like
but
really hot. I can
does
never
it?
understand why people wear hats in the sun because it makes my head boiling.
Yeah, but it'll keep your face cool and you won't burn, and your shoulders cool, and probably people either side of you cool.
Yeah, it's massive. My favourite item that you pick is probably the hoodie.
Oh.
It feels really, really soft. Feel the inside.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I did feel it. But I picked everything so quickly because I saw the top and I thought, I really like that.
The top's probably my least favourite item.
Oh, that went well then. So can we do it again?
Yeah, if you
I
want.
loved it, spending somebody else's money.
Maybe in the winter we could do a winter version.
Oh, I've got to wait till winter then. Okay.
Maybe you can get me a Christmas jumper or a Christmas hat. Right, so I'm going to go and put this outfit on and see what you think of it all together.
Okay. Perhaps you'll like it more once it's on.
We'll see.
Oh, there you go.
Off on my holidays.
I'm going to retrain as a personal shopper.
It looks a lot better on than I thought it would actually.
It does look really nice.
I don't mind it. The only thing is with the leggings, but I thought the lacy bit would be on the side.
I did too.
It's a bit weird that it's on the front, isn't it?
Yeah.
But the top I do like it on,
Yes.
and I didn't like it off. The hat has grown on me a bit, but
I don't think I did a bad job there.
no, I don't think you did. For a holiday, this is
Yes.
quite a nice outfit.
There you go. If
And
you want a
these
personal
sandals.
shopper, you know where to come. No, I really like that. It looks how I imagined it would look.
What would you rate this outfit out of 10?
Well, as I chose it, probably an 8.
Yeah, I think I'd say an 8.
I think I could do better, but I just need more practice.
I think you did quite a good job.
I think I did.
So this is the outfit with the jumper on. This is definitely more my sort of style, isn't it? The only thing is it's a little bit small. I probably would have gone up to a size 10 in this jumper, but you don't really know that until you try it on. It feels really weird with this top underneath it because it's off shoulder. It's really comfortable, really soft.
Soft, isn't it? Yes.
Feels really nice quality. Yeah. I like it. Well done.
Oh, thank you.
So that brings us to the end of this video. I don't think you did too badly.
Oh.
But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up so you knew what was coming then. Do subscribe to see my future videos. Thanks for being on my channel again.
It was a pleasure. I really enjoyed it.
I did too. Maybe you found a new career for yourself.
What about an evening outfit?
Oh. But anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye! Now look in the camera, not in the viewfinder.
Alright.
Right, ready? All you got to do is smile.
Okay.
Right, keep it there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, surely one of those will be alright.